Welcome to my channel. So if you're a small creator, you're posting videos every single day and your videos are not getting engagement, you're not getting views, you're stuck, you're tired. Now sit down, come to the front row, let's talk. Now I'm going to tell you something and take this as an advice. Yes, the reason you have to listen to me is because I have experienced it, I'm experiencing it, and I know what it feels like. YouTube do not care about how many videos you can upload every single day. Listen, YouTube don't care about that. What YouTube cares about is how much traffic your video can bring to them. And the thing is, if you watch my channel, if you go through my videos, you're going to notice some videos did really well, some videos did not do well, why some of them were just like a disaster. Yes, I said so. So guys, here is the trick. Any niche you are into, it could be a vlog, fashion, cooking, whatever niche you are into, whatever type of video. Okay, let me break it down. When I say niche, whatever kind of video you know you're doing on your channel, go and do your research. Look for something that is trending in your niche. See, YouTube work with trends. Don't let the big guys deceive you. Even the big creators are still going into trend. Yes, you have an amazing idea. Your video idea makes sense. You have a great video, but it's not trending. Nobody's watching because that is not what the algorithm wants to push, right? So you need to do your research. There are a lot of tools to help you. We have ChatGPT, we have Google search, we have your YouTube studio. Yes, if you know you don't have YouTube studio, go download your YouTube studio. And there's a part we have trends. I'm going to show you. It's really simple. Just look at this. It's trend. YouTube already have a portion on your YouTube studio for trend. Over here, it can show you the trending videos, the type of videos to post, what kind of videos can make sense. I don't know if you get my point. So guys, go through the trending topics. Now, if your videos are not still getting views, I think you should work on your thumbnail. In fact, I know. See guys, thumbnail is just like presenting a food. And you know, when you see a nice meal, it starts from the surface. Okay? So if your thumbnail is very weak, it's not relatable, not clickable, ugly, not making sense, nobody's going to click on it. And that is the beginning of your failure. So if your videos are not clickable, tell me how people are going to watch. So guys, you need to work on your thumbnail. If you know you're so bad at it, get somebody to help you. That could just be the breakthrough to your videos. How can you spend hours editing your videos, creating amazing content, having sleepless nights to come up with ideas, and you just end up throwing it up with a very poor thumbnail? Abba, please, let us stop doing that, all right? And another thing I'm going to give to you guys, you see topic, I said that already. Go for trending topic. You see your titles. You know, there are different ways to get people. Is that you're getting them emotionally, you are triggering curiosity, or maybe discovery. Just make sure your titles are sending messages to people. So if your title is weak and your thumbnail is strong, you may have chances. But imagine your title is strong, your thumbnail is strong, guys, you're gonna blow up. I know I'm not so great at making thumbnails, but I try as much as I can to put out decent thumbnails. Really important. You see your thumbnail, you see your title. These things are so important, and these are the things that is going to make the difference for you on your channel. So it's really simple, guys. Make sure you're going for strong titles, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.